Hello everybody. So this is going to be my video on the Windows file system, just so you understand how to navigate it. So, on a PC, or a Windows computer, or a laptop, whatever you want to call it, you have something called a hard drive. I have two. This is my personal computer, but most of the time you will just see one that says Windows C. And that is your hard drive, and this bar here shows you how much space you have filled up. As you can see, I do not have very much space left on my hard drive. That's why I have the second one here called data. At any rate, the hard drive, think of it as the brain of your computer. It's where all the memories are stored, where all the documents and things are. And so everything that is on your computer will be stored in that hard drive. Windows organizes things into folders. Folders are just like a folder that you might use in a class, where you have a folder to put papers in. Another way to think of these folders, though, is like boxes. So you can use a box to hold things in it. You can also put other boxes. Oh, this is being strange. You can also go ahead and there we go. As I was saying, you can put other boxes inside of those boxes, and inside of those, still more boxes. So, in a computer, you can find inside of every folder, you will often find files or other folders. So if I were to click here on Documents, for example, double click, you can see that this is full of other little yellow folders. It also has some other files that are loose here to just kind of look at. But inside of each folder, you can find other things, other folders that have more documents inside of them, different files. And so the most important places, though, on your computer will be found here in this ribbon to the left. So over here, you've got this PC, which is kind of the top level view of all your stuff. And then inside of that, you've got Downloads, which is where most of your things are going to go if you download them from the internet. And of course, you've got special places to store pictures and videos and music and that sort of thing. Lastly, it is probably important for you to know that you have your OneDrive. So in your OneDrive, this is stored in the cloud. As long as you're connected to the internet, anything that you do, anything that you put into this folder or anything that you take out of it will be saved online. So this is a great place for you to store things for your classes and for everything else. In part because if I really need to, I can ask you to give me access and I'll be able to access it and find files that you may have lost. Anything that is on your computer, anything that is on this PC, I will be unable to access. It will be up to you to find it and get it to me if you want me to see a file. Alright, so that is a basic overview of the Windows PC filing system.